guys, welcome to havealot Design Corp YouTube channel. Today I'll be showing you how to delete a Google Analytics property. Without wasting any further ado, let's get into it. So first of all, you need to navigate to the property, log into your Google Analytics property, select the property you wish to delete, navigate to admin section, and then from there you choose property account settings, right? Once you were there, on the right side you'll see move to rubbish bin, and then you click there. Once you click there, then you say rubbish account, then after that you can just check your rubbish bin and see if the property is there. After that you are done. It's done, clear, the property is gone. So we're just gonna check to really see that it's gone. So we go back to our home section, and then it should show that like there's nothing, page not found, which means there's no properties at all. You have to create another one if you wish to. So I hope that was useful. See you on the next one.